Shola here once again. So we'll be talking about how to set up your advert profile. We've known how to set up our profile in the business account. We've known how to upload videos for adverts and how to make sure it is only showing for adverts and not on our profile. And if you like it to show on your profile, it is very fine. But sometimes you might want to use someone else's video to run adverts. All right, so it will only be showing in your advert. So when people visit your profile, they won't be confused. All right, so let's go to how to set up your advert profile. Now, where do you go to? You go to profile. All right, we are on profile already. The next thing is what? You see these three lines here. Hold on. You see these three lines here. That is what you click on. You click on it. So where do you go to? You come to business suite. All right, click on it. It is going to show. You can see analytics, growth center, creative hub, message center, promote, need help. What we are concerned about now is what? Promote. We want to promote our video, right? You click on promote. All right, good. So once you click on promote, it brings you to your advert dashboard. This is where you run your advert. All right, now to run your adverts, this is what next you do is what? You have your link already. Now there are different goals here. This is boost account. Let's say you post a video on your profile now, you want to boost it to get more views, you can use this one. To get more followers, you can use this one. To get more profile view, you can use this one. All right, but I believe anybody watching this video now, you are not running adverts to just get video views. You are running adverts to get leads, mostly into your WhatsApp, right? So what do? You go to get sales. There's get sales, there's get leads. Now, I don't want you to mistake get sales and get leads together. Get leads, they'll be able to send you a message on your TikTok DM or call you when you put your phone number there. But we want to get people into our DM so that we can make sales. So what do? You select get sales. Bam. Now the next thing is what? Put your WhatsApp link or your website link, or your landing page link. Anyone can be there. So this is, you can see your landing page. So you just click on edit. If you are new into advert, you won't see edit. You are seeing edit because there is a link there already. So once you click on edit, click on it again. Then you can now post your link, either your group link, your landing page link, your website. Just post it here. Then once you post it, you save it. All right, it has been saved already. Save. Then the next thing is what? To select the video you want to use to promote. Hold on, please. Sorry. To select the video you want to use to promote. So just click on. You can see select your content. So what do? You see this arrow here? Hold on, this arrow. You click on it. So once you click on it, it takes you to all the videos on your profile. All the videos on your profile. Let it load so you can see it properly. These are the videos on my profile already. Okay, it's loading already. These are the videos on my profile, so you can select anyone. Now, the video we posted earlier on is what? Is this, right? Just click on promote. Then it will come here. You can see it has changed. Now, the next thing is what? Your audience. And this is where it gets interesting. Now, there are two types of audience here. Default audience. These are audience that TikTok will choose for you. Once you click on this one, TikTok will be the one to determine people that want to come to your DM, regardless of their age or what they are interested in. So it's just like a general audience, just like anywhere belle face. I hope you understand. But if you want to target your audience, if you want to okay, fine, I want this kind of people this age to join my training or to join my class or to click on my profile. What do? Then you click on custom. You click on custom, all right? Custom. Then a page will be open for you. All right? Once the page is open, now you can see we have gender. This is all female, male. So let's say you are selling something like just for female alone. Let's say you are selling waist speed for females alone, or selling panties for female alone, or you are selling anything for female alone, or what you are promoting you only want to attract females, you click on females. If it's male, you click on male. Then if it's both, you leave it at all. All right. Then the next thing is what? The age. So if you are selling to people, it is advisable you sell to people from 18 upward, right? So that you can select 18, 25, 34. Just end it there. You majorly can see 45 years to 50, you can see lots of 45 years plus on TikTok. So even if you select them, it doesn't have any effect. So just leave it like that or just remove it. All right. But if what you are really selling is maybe expensive, let me say 30K, 40K upward, or let me say 20K upward, you might just say, okay, fine, I don't want to target 18 to 24. I only want to target 25 to 34, then 35, then 35 to 44. But if you want to select this, if you want to target from 18, then fine, 18, 25, 34. But my advice most times is, if you're selling something below 20K, you can just start from 18, 25, and 18 towards to 44. So that way you would be focusing on, you'll be having people that are serious. Even though some people might still change their age. Some people that are 13 years old or 15 years old might say they're 18, but at least it will give you more leverage. All right. So once you've done that, then interest. If you are selling something that has to do with education, let's say you are selling notebooks or you are selling cardboards or something that has to do with education anyways, or textbook or novels, you can simply select education. All right. If you are selling something that has to do with very, very cool and whatever, you can choose very cool and remove education. All right. But most times I used to recommend, if you are selling something that you know everybody will need, just leave it at all. Let's say you're an affiliate marketer, for instance, now, or a digital marketer. I don't think you have to touch anything here. I don't think you have to change anything. Just leave it like this here. So everybody will see it. But if you feel like, fine, you're an affiliate marketer or a digital marketer, you want to really target like that, then you can just choose education, choose financial service, choose tech and electronics, choose travel, choose business and business services. You can choose e-commerce too. You can even choose news and entertainment. You can choose applications. All right, that is the most important thing to choose. That is, if you're an affiliate marketer or a digital marketer and you really want to target like that. All right, you can choose all this thing. But in case you just don't want to target like that, just click on all. Then everyone will get it. The next thing is what? Now we've done our gender, we've done the age, then we've done our interests. All right, then just click on save. Now, mind you, let's say for instance, now you want to start with, let me say 7,000 naira per day now. Now, you can see here, if you choose custom, you'll be getting an estimated over 289, at least 289 people will click on your sign up button. All right. I hope you're with me. Then at most, 1,350 people will click on your sign up button. You can also change, I forgot to tell you, you can also change the sign up button, your call to action button. Let's say you're in your video, you said click on the learn more button. You can also change it if it's not sign up. So what do? Once you've put in your link here, like I told you earlier, instead of clicking on sign up, you click on learn more. If in your video you said shop now, click on shop now. If you say contact us, click on contact us. Any of your call to action that you think you use in your video, make sure it's the same call to action you are selecting, so that everything will be uniform. If you are telling them, okay, if you're interested in this program, click on the learn more button, and you're now clicking, and you set up sign up button here, lots of people will be confused. They'll be looking for the learn more button, whereas they won't know it is still the sign up button. But because you told them learn more, they are looking for learn more. All right. So in our video, I think we talked about learn more, the one that we're using for example. So let's click on learn more, then save. All right. So let's say once you pick 7K per day, for instance, now for your budget, and you click on default audience. Hold on, default audience. the number of people that will click on your listing will be much, right? There will be much. At least 361, at most 1,600 plus. But you might be getting a lot of low quality leads, like people from 14 years old, 15 years old, blah, blah, blah. So if you are selecting custom, it is going to reduce. You can see it from 289 to 1350, but you know that fine, at least you are getting enough quality people or qualified people that can afford what you are selling. So it's a matter of quantity over quality. So once you've done that, then now TikTok used to give you a promotion pack. Like you can decide to choose, like, okay, I want to spend 6.9. TikTok will give you, okay, fine, you're going to have this one, blah, 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 blah. But most times it's okay to be able to customize yourself. Click on customize, then enter the amount of budget you want to spend. Is it 7K per day or is it 30K per day? But the lowest you can spend is 1,000 per day. 1,000 naira. Or you can say the entire number between 920 to 1.5 million. So that means you can spend 920 naira per day or 1.5 million per day, but it's advisable you spend, the least is 1,000 naira. So you can see, let's say you can just start with 5,000 per day. So obviously the number here will change too. Your estimated learn more button will change. So once you've done that, the next thing is to recharge. Recharge means to put money into your ad account. Now for Android, now you should have a Google Play Store. So Google Play Store, you should have something called Google Pay. That is how you make payments online using Google. So once you have an account on Google Pay, just simply do is click on recharge. When you click on recharge, it will come up. All right, that Google Pay I talked about is like an account. Your bank account must have been connected to your Google Pay, your Google Play Store, where you're using subscribing for maybe Netflix or subscribing for iTunes or whatever. All right, so your bank details is there and you've already put money, you've loaded money in your bank account already, and your bank card is there already. So once you want to recharge, so let's say you want to run advert of 5K per day now. 5K per day. This is like, let me say, this is 350, this is 700. So there is nothing like 5K per day here. You can just simply select, how should I, okay, 5K per day is like, that means you'll be selecting this 850 coin, this 8,500. All right. So you can either run 8,500 per day or 1.7 per day. So if you want to run 5,000 naira per day, so you'll be selecting 850 coins. These 350 coins, that is 8,500. Then you click on recharge. Recharge, yes. Once you click on recharge, your bank account will come up and you'll be credited. Now I want you to take note of something. TikTok charges 30% of the money you want to use to run advert. TikTok charges what? 30. So let's say, for instance, now you are planning on running an advert of 10K per day. So if you minus 30% from 10K, that is how much? 3,000. So that means you'll be left with 7,000 naira to run your advert. TikTok have taken their 30%. So let's say you now want to run, you want to make sure it's 10K per day exactly you want to run. So that means you'll be loading, like, let me say 10K of 30% of 10K is 3,000, right? That means you'll be funding like 13,000. All right, you'll be funding like 13,000. So whenever you want to run your advert, TikTok removes their 3%, that 30%, I mean. So you still have your 10K to run your advert. So that is how. So once I recharge now, you see something like promote. All right, so I don't want to recharge now, but let me show you an example of what I'm talking about. Now I'm having a coin balance here of 61. I think I can see it, and I don't think I can run adverts with 61 naira. The lowest is what 1,000 naira or 920 naira, but 1,000 naira. So let's for instance, let me see if I have any coin hidden somewhere. I don't have any coin. I'm just trying to try my luck. It is showing here I have 61 naira, so I can run advert with 61 naira. So once I put 61 naira now, this recharge will turn to promote. All right, once I put in money and it's enough, it will turn to promote, and you click on promote. That is how you run your advert. I hope you understand. That is how you run your advert. Now, once you run your advert and you want to check the progress of your advert, if it has been approved or not, you come to dashboard here. Hold on. I want to make sure this thing is showing. Let's go back to promote. All right. So we want to check if your advert is running or if it has been approved. Just come here, dashboard. You click on dashboard. Then your running adverts or your completed adverts will show here. And if it's not delivering, that means there's a mistake in the advert. It will show here. If it has been approved, it will show active. All right, it will show active here. Now you can see pending. If it's pending, you will see under review, you will see active, you will see completed, you will see that is how to monitor your advert, and that is how to run your advert. All right, the most important thing you need to take note of is what your custom audience. Make sure you know your audience properly, then your budget, your video, the call to action button that you would select. The call to action button that you will select, make sure it tallies with what you said in your video. All right, and make sure your group link is correct. All right, and that is all you need to know about how to run your TikTok advert. Cheers and great results in running your TikTok advert. I remain Sholawe once again.